Okay, when you are in your class, you are going to go into your assignments, and you're going to find that Miss Betancourt has given you your vocabulary here. And when you open it up, it's a PDF document. So what you want to do in order to actually be able to write here is you're going to download the file, and then it downloads here to your downloads, or mine shows up on my bottom of my screen. So wherever your download is, and once you click that open, not there. Once I click in my downloads and open up that PDF, you will notice it opens up in preview. Once you've opened up in preview, you actually have the ability to write on this document, so to speak. So what you're going to do is you're going to this little toolbox that says markup. And when you click that toolbox that says markup, it gives you some options. And this is the one you want to pay attention to. It's the little text box. It's a T and a text. And most of you have probably done this in some shape, form, or fashion. But if you click the text box, it's going to open and give you a text box. You can move it around the room. You can, don't do this and drive your teachers crazy, but you can make it as big and as fancy. But we're at Cass High, so we need to make it blue, as big and fancy as you want. And I don't know what that means.
Okay.
I'll go start.
So lie down. Lie down.
So I'm going to fill out my whole paper, and I can move it around. So now I want to do this one. I'm just going to click my text box again. I get the little hand that lets me move it around. I can move it to the correct location I want it to be. I click, and I write the answer down. Now, once you have finished and you've done all of your work on this paper, or whichever paper you're working on, you need to save it. And when you save it, it's probably going to save in the same spot that it was in. So this one, if you notice down here, it's saved in my downloads here. So what I want to do is I'm going to go back to my Schoology page and back to my assignments. And right now there's not a place to turn it back in, but there would be a place to turn it back in. And I would click, I'm going to pretend like this is where I would turn it in, and I would have my little submissions button up here, and that's where I would upload that file, ready to go back to your teacher. I think that will be a great way to do that, and you won't have to do it on paper. It'll be all turned in and ready to go. Hope that helps. And if you have any questions, you can always click your little question mark button, and I am Miss Bunce, and I can help you if you have trouble with that process. Hope that helps, and happy Spanishing. Spanishing? I don't think that's a real word.